Today we are going to Istra, a city about 40 minutes away from Moscow, and it's a beautiful city. Yesterday was a lot of snow, so hopefully it will be very magical today. We arrived and it's very nice, very beautiful place. I've done a full video about this place, so I will put it somewhere up here so you can watch. They also have free holy water we can take. Really tasty water that comes from the ground, full of minerals. Nice place, right?
It's very beautiful, Georgia.
We finished here, so now we're going to go to the viewpoint. Very nice place also. Finished at the viewpoint. Fantastic view, so beautiful when it's snow everywhere. So now we will see if we can find something else to do here. Usually we are here during the summer because we have a summer house close by. Very cozy here. A lot of people, a lot of food, restaurants, shops. We finished for today. Time is finished. We need to go and pick up the baby. But thank you for joining us and hope to see you next time.